Sasquatches really 10 feet tall? I put this question to the test using actual Bigfoot data, and the results weren't really what I was expecting, but I'm stoked about it. In 1997, Dr. Wolf Fehrenbach wrote a paper called Sasquatch Sizing, Scaling, and Statistics. Within this paper, he details an equation that he derived from Sasquatch footprints and the associated height of the Sasquatch that made the footprint. So essentially, if you have the length of a footprint, you can estimate the height of the Sasquatch. So using this idea, I decided to derive my own equation using the Sasquatch Data Project's dataset. And in today's investigation, we're going to see how Fehrenbach's equation and mine fare when we feed it Cliff Barackman's publicly available footprint dataset. When I ran all of the footprint links through Cliff's public dataset through both equations, this is what I got. Fehrenbach's equation gave us an average height of 7.29 feet, and my equation gave us an average height of 6.90 feet. And I know what you're thinking. Those averages are way too small. Where are my 8, 9, 10-foot Sasquatches at? Well, here's the thing. Even with the largest footprints in at least Cliff's dataset, Fehrenbach's equation maxes out at 8.88 feet, and my equation maxes out at 9.13 feet tall. So in a random sampling of heights and footprint estimations, we would expect the distributions of these heights to be similar between the derived heights from footprints and the estimated heights from witnesses. So if we look at the Sasquatch Data Project's dataset and do not include the footprint links that were used to derive my equation, that leaves us with 115 footprint links to run through these equations and get estimated heights. And when I did this, only one footprint out of all of those footprints reached a 10-foot or more height. And I want to add that that was only for my equation. Fehrenbach's equation did not produce any heights that were that tall. And to make things a little spicier, only 3 to 4 footprints actually produced a 9-foot tall or more height for the Sasquatch between both of our equations.